So if you will click on your library and then click on here, you could see I've got two libraries. One is called default and the other is called most used. So first select the library that you want to export, such as default. Click on library again and then hover your cursor over manage library and finally select export library. First I tried to save into my external USB drive, but then Camtasia gave me this warning saying it doesn't recommend exporting library to a network or removable drive. So you could change the location by clicking on yes, and then I selected a different folder on my C drive and then I clicked on save. This would zip your library and export it. Note, it would just export the selected library. So to export another library, select it and then repeat the same procedure. Now you could go to the folder that you have saved the library and copy it to USB drive or anywhere else that you want. You could also go to the zip files and rename them to name of the libraries that you have exported, and then you could save these files in a place to keep them as a backup for your libraries. To learn how to back up Camtasia custom production or how to restore your Camtasia libraries that you have just backed up, watch the videos on the screen.